Hi, everybody. This is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. I have with me the creator and co-founder of an NFT project. I did a full interview with her. You should go check that out. But in this video, you're going to get a general overview about the Cosmos ecosystem.
Using Wi-Fi without NordVPN could mean sharing your private stuff with more people than you think. NordVPN. Online security starts with a click.
Ready to hop in the 6-4 and cruise around the blocks? There's a storm coming to the underworld and the heat is on. Take over the blocks and call the shots. It's time to hustle or get hustled. What's it gonna be? Stay sharp. It's a dog-eat-dog world out there. Don't let them catch you slipping. Only real gangsters thrive in the dope wars world.
Hey, Yasmin, thank you so much for making yourself available.
Hi, thank you.
Do you want to say just a little bit about your project and how we started having this conversation?
Yeah, so we started by discussing our project House of Assets, where we explained that our goal is to create a safe space for collectors, artists to trade, connect, and earn it with a peace of mind.
Yes. So it's an NFT-based project. You can buy NFTs from this marketplace. And what's really great about these NFTs is they are connected to legitimate, viable, verified, branded companies.
Yes.
And in our interview, which people can check out, you mentioned a restaurant business that's going for a Michelin grade star, whatever it is, plus also a luxury watch company from Switzerland, which I can't think what that might be, and also that we're
working on creating really great value for our collectors.
And you have lots of other really, really great things in the pipeline, which we can't talk about publicly yet, but people should go check out this website. And when we were recording that interview, I asked you, we got talking about the Cosmos ecosystem. You said, well, didn't really know anything about it. So I thought, well, why don't we just record the interview as an overview of Cosmos ecosystem, which is what this is. So if you want to find out about the Cosmos ecosystem and all the other assets and the way that they're doing crazy airdrops and people making ridiculous amounts of money for free, then this is that video. Now, please subscribe, comment, like, follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT. If you're watching this on YouTube, well, you could have watched it quicker and sooner on Odyssey. Plus, there's other material on Odyssey that YouTube doesn't like. So you should check that out. All right, let's see now. Cosmos ecosystem. So your token is going to be on Binance Smart Chain, and your NFT will be on OpenSea as an Ethereum asset because that's the largest NFT marketplace.
Yes.
Yeah. However, you can. Now, I'm not a developer. You will be able to port it over onto the Cosmos ecosystem via Evmos, which is a new Cosmos project. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, why you would want to do that on the Cosmos ecosystem is because it's incredibly fast, incredibly cheap to transact with, and the ecosystem is growing like crazy. Let me show you this, and then we can feel free to ask me questions, and I'll show you how it's growing as well. Okay, can you see this? This is a website, mapofzones.com, and this shows the Cosmos ecosystem.
Okay.
Now, I'm not a developer, I'm not technical, but this is my understanding of Ethereum. If I think of like Ethereum is the ground, and on Ethereum you have these train tracks that run.
Yeah.
Right, and on those train tracks are the dApps, the decentralized applications. But the ground is constrained; it's limited, so you get congestion on the train tracks because there's too many trains running.
Yeah.
And then sometimes, if somebody's got more ETH, they can pay extra so that their transaction or their train goes through quicker. Meanwhile, small players, they just have to hang around and wait for the miners to process their transactions. So you get this incredible congestion that leads to ridiculously high transaction fees because they're all running on the Ethereum chain, right? Now, somehow Binance Smart Chain and the other EVMs have resolved that so they're faster and quicker, but they're still running that same basic principle. And then what happens with Ethereum and with Binance Smart Chain is, if I use the stable coins as an example, if I want to send you USDC, I need to have some ETH.
Yeah.
If I want to send you USDT, whether it's ETH, ERC20 or TRC20, I have to have some ETH or some Tron. If I want to send you BUSD, I have to have some Binance. And I have to have those secondary assets in order to pay the gas fees.
Yeah.
The stable coins in the Cosmos ecosystem don't work like that. The biggest stable coin of all is UST. And if I want to send you UST, one UST is equal to $1. I don't need anything else. So I send you $100 worth of UST and you get $100. I don't need Luna or Cosmos or anything else because it is an independent blockchain, like a solar system, like the cosmos, where the different planets, you can fly from this planet to this planet to this planet to this planet. They're all independent, so there's no load on them, like there is with ETH, and like I think could potentially happen with Binance Smart Chain. Yeah. And then what you have are incredibly fast transactions times and incredibly cheap. Any questions about what I've said so far?
No, that's great.
Okay. These are the projects that are currently available on the Cosmos ecosystem. They're live, they're running, they've got their own tokens. Some of them have got 2 tokens.
Okay. And is it like you can also have your own token there, or do they?
Yeah, you can launch your own tokens because it's fully decentralized, open source.
Okay.
Now, here's what happened with me. In March 2020, don't do this at home, kids. I did no diligence whatsoever. None. I had a little bit of crypto. I looked through CoinGecko, or maybe it was my Exodus wallet, and I thought, oh, Atom. Oh, I think I'll buy some of that. But I think that might go places, right? That was the extent of my research.
Yeah.
So I bought some Atom. And then I staked it in my Exodus wallet. That was March 2020. I didn't buy a lot of Atom. Then in June 2021, so 15 months later, Osmosis announced that everybody who held Atom, let me see if I can find Atom here, Cosmos. Atom is the token for the Cosmos project. I can't, but it's somewhere here, right? It's the first one. It's the mother of this ecosystem.
Okay.
Anybody who held Atom is going to, oh, here it is, Cosmos. So anybody who held Atom assets will get Osmo for free. Okay.
Yeah.
All I had to do was a very simple claim, click a few buttons, and then I now have Osmo in my Kepler wallet. And Kepler is just like MetaMask, but nicer and better. So now I got Osmos for free. And they're paying 500% APR.
Wow.
So I'm staking it like crazy. Every 24 hours I get rewards and I stake in a compound and I stake in a compound. And then now Osmo has this fabulous decentralized exchange, the best, smoothest, sweetest decentralized exchange I've come across. Better looking, easier UI, faster, cheaper than PancakeSwap or, God forbid, Fork Delta, if anybody ever uses that, or Uniswap or anything.
Okay.
Fabulous DEX.
Well, that would be great to check.
Yeah. No, it gets better. Because I had Osmo, Juno launched. Where's Juno? I saw Juno earlier. Now, Juno has smart contract functionality. You can build applications on it. Here it is, Juno. Everybody who had Atom or Osmo staked got free Juno. Okay, so now I've just got free Juno. And then what happens? The market decides the price.
Okay.
So you could say, well, this could be a scam. Well, yeah, it could be. The project may go to nothing. They may just give away their tokens for free and then disappear. Fine, it didn't cost me anything.
Yeah.
Right? So then I got Juno for free, and then I'm staking Juno like crazy because they have high APIs. Now it gets better. Because I had Juno, I got Chihuahua Chain. Now Chihuahua Chain is it's a very important asset. It's a coin or a token with a dog on it. It's a dog face token, like Shiba Inu, like Dogecoin.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's better because it was paying 3,000% API in the beginning.
Oh, wow.
So I was compounding it like crazy. So then the high APIs encourage people. Yes, it's inflationary, but they reduce over time. But it encourages people to hold on to the asset. So I got Chihuahua Chain for free because I had Juno, because I had Osmo, because I bought Atom, and then it gets better because I had Chihuahua Chain. But I think you're getting the idea. I got Cerebus, and I don't know where that is here, right? Cerebus is an improvement on Chihuahua because Chihuahua Chain only has one head. Cerebus is a dog-faced coin with 3 heads because that's what's missing. But so it goes on. So it goes on, right?
Yeah.
And there are others, that do really useful things. Secret Network. Because I have Secret Network, I got Shade Protocol, which is not on here, but it runs on Secret Network. And Secret Network allows for DeFi, private DeFi. Big companies don't want people to know where they're investing their assets, who they're lending to, who they're borrowing from. So it brings privacy to that space. Let me see. I think there are some NFT projects here as well. Stargaze is an NFT project. Comdex trades synthetic assets like gold and oil. You can trade off the gold and oil price. Luna Terra is the sister coin of the UST stablecoin, and it's fully decentralized. UST gets minted, Terra gets burnt. Luna Terra. So that's why the value of Luna Terra goes up like crazy, because here's a stable coin that doesn't require a secondary asset, and it's fast and cheap.
Yeah.
Now, any questions about what I've said so far?
No, that was mind-blowing.
There's more. These are the projects that are live currently, and most of them are traded on Osmosis DEX.
Yeah.
46 zones, 46 planets, you could think, right? These are the projects that are coming.
Oh, wow.
196 currently in development, and most of these will launch by airdrop.
Okay.
And the airdrops are different. They determine their own rules.
So what happened here is that if you want to come with your token in this Cosmos, you offer airdrops for their users that they have.
You could do that, and you get to determine it. So, for example, if you were to launch your token on the Cosmos ecosystem, or a dual token, or have it on both, because there are also bridges being developed.
Yeah.
You could say, okay, everybody who held Atom, because Atom is the mother token.
Yeah.
And or everybody who held Osmo, because you want to support that DEX. And or people who hold Stars, because they're an NFT project and you want to support NFT projects and partner with them. And or Chihuahua Chain, because you think all coins should have a dog on them.
Yeah.
You could just say that.
Right. It's really a thing, this dog.
It is really a thing. Like NFTs are a thing. Dog-faced coins are a thing. By the way, Chihuahua Chain is much better than Doge and Shiba Inu.
Okay.
Because it's faster, cheaper. Doge is fast and cheap to send. Shiba Inu isn't. And Chihuahua Chain has staking. You can stake Chihuahua Chain. Can't really with Shiba Inu. You can on their portal, but that's not fully decentralized, I don't think, right? It's fully stakeable, and they're adding smart contracts to Chihuahua Chain. So you're going to have a smart dog. Clever dog, right? Anyway, so these are the projects that are growing, and they're growing by airdrops. Yeah. Now, here's what's happened with me. I got Atom, then I got Osmo, and I was like, oh my God. And then I looked at the Osmo DEX. Let me show you the Osmo DEX. I think the Osmosis DEX is just completely beautiful and brilliant and easy to use. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous DEX. It's so well designed. And you just got to try it out to see for yourself, right? It's very, very easy. Now, it isn't fully decentralized, the Osmosis DEX, but they have an API that is fully decentralized, which is Frontier Osmosis. And pretty much anyone can list any shitcoin or scam coin on that, so you do got to be careful, right? But it's a very, very easy, beautiful to use DEX, very fast, connects with Kepler. So I got Osmo, and I was making money, and it's completely convertible, easy to use on Osmosis, because it's the governance token for Osmosis. Yeah. So I told my son, I said, look, let me check this out. I'll try it out for a few weeks, and then I'll throw you some Osmo. And now he's trading. He's 17. You wouldn't believe the money that he's making, passive income, as well as his job at McDonald's, just from these airdrops. and through compounding. And then I told my wife, and then I told my family and friends.
Yeah.
And so I'm spreading the word. And I'm giving away coins for free because I get them for free.
Yeah.
Right? Do you know, a friend of mine, very, very dear friend of mine, she was already into crypto. I told her about Osmo in August last year. She told me she got to a point where she's able to pay for her mother's care home fees just from her Osmo rewards.
Wow.
So what could happen with your project? You may not like this. You may not like this. You get to use you get to take part in a blockchain ecosystem that's growing like crazy, that's growing for free, where people are doing the marketing for you, that's fast, cheap, offers smart contract functionality, and is open source. Nothing there would appeal to you as the co-founder of a project, I bet.
No. It sounds interesting.
Yeah, it's definitely worth a look, right? And I would recommend it. And then, you've got SiftChain as a DEX. They're competing with Osmo. So you've got competition as well in there. Sentinel, I saw Sentinel. I'm very closely connected to Sentinel, a decentralized VPN, more secure than a centralized VPN. Then there's Evmos. Evmos just launched. Mm-hmm. And Evmos runs on MetaMask and it runs on Kepler. It's an Ethereum virtual machine that bridges EVM assets over to the Cosmos ecosystem. So I could take my ERC20 tokens and my BSC tokens and run them on Cosmos and save even more money on fees.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. And Evmos have just launched, and they just airdrop their tokens. And they had a value, I think, on the first day. May have gone down a little bit, $5 each. The market decides. Osmo, when that launched, was about $4 each. It dropped to a low of about $1.20. It's been as high as over $10. It's now, last I looked, about just under $4 because everything took a dip recently.
Yeah.
So, but the market decides. Any questions? Anything?
No, but this sounds very interesting. I'm going to take a look at it after.
Yes, very good, very good. Well, listen, anybody who's watching this, do check out the Cosmos ecosystem. Do subscribe to my channel because I cover the Cosmos assets quite a bit. And please do come and support me on Odyssey because I'm being shadow banned on YouTube. Do watch the interview that I do with Yasmin about House of Assets and go check that out. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits, crypto rich, and crypto Yasmin signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.
The world's most advanced cold wallet for the new generation of cryptocurrency lovers. Descent.